Welcome to Sai Tech Info channel, my dear UPSC aspirants. In this session, I would like to explain about the cutoff marks scored by the candidates appeared for UPSC, that is CSC, that is Civil Service Examination in the year 2020, and I will be comparing with 2019 performance also. Let us see this, the UPSC cutoff marks 2020. The general merit cutoff is discussed here. You know very well, in civil service examination we have these three phases: preliminary, mains, and the final phase is interview. In prelims we have the maximum marks 200. In mains we have the maximum marks 1750. So including the interview part, the total marks is 2025. So in prelims, in the year 2020, the cutoff mark is 92.51. It means the candidates have scored 46.25 as cutoff. And then in mains 736 only out of 1750 marks, that is the maximum. So it comes to 42.05%. And inclusive of interview, the marks is 944 out of 2025. So the overall score is 2025, out of which the cutoff mark is 944. So it means if you are able to exceed 47%, means that is your success is assured. So you have to score only 47%. So in prelims you have to score above 47%, and in mains you have to score above 43%, and overall you have to score 47% above. So this is the target. Now let us see the category wise prelims marks. Here in CS preliminary, general category has scored 92.51. 92.51. It means that is out of 200 marks. Out of 200 marks. And economically weaker section 77.55 in preliminary. Then 89 for OBC, SC 74.84, ST 68.71, and this PWBD means that is candidates belonging to person with benchmark disability, and that is further subcategorized. So here this PWBD 70 for category 1 to 63.9 and 40.8, and here 42.86. You just compare the general category and the PWBD 5. Now CS main. So we have cleared the preliminary. Now we are proceeding with main examination, where the maximum marks that you know it is 1750. So these guys have scored 736 as a final mark, and that is why it's called cutoff in general category. EWS 687, OBC 698, SC 680 and 682, and followed by 648, 99, 425, and mark this one, this is 300. And finally, okay, the overall 2025, out of which category, general category people have got the last mark, that is 944, that was supposed to be the cutoff, and then 894 for economically weaker section. and then OBC 907, 875, etc. And here you can see 465. So this is the category wise cutoff marks. So let us compare with the previous year performance, that is with the 2019. In general category, in preliminary, that is in prelims, in general category, in 2020 it is 92.5, but in 2019 it was 98. So it means there is a drop, decrease. Is it not? Right. And then 77 EWS, and here it was 90. So it means further down. And 89 OBC, here 95. So downward trend. 74, 82, down. 68, 77, down. 70, down. 70 has increased up. And the 63 has increased from 44. 40.82 from 40, so there is a slight increase. 42 from, so down. So overall you can find the downward trend only. We will analyze why it has happened. Now let me move to the main cutoff. So here 736 general category out of marks 2020. So 751. So it has come down. Performance has come down into 2020 compared to 2019, and 687, and once again down. 698, that is down, downward trend only. So 680 against 706 in, so down. 682 down. 648, that is an downward trend only. 699 slightly increased. 425 against the 374 increased. 300, so once again. So major there is a low performance in 2020 compared to 2000. So this is the overall general cutoff, where you can see in 2020 the candidates have scored the overall, that is maximum marks 2025, including the main and interview. So here 944, whereas here 961. Here, so it means it has come down. 894 against 909. 907 against 925 in 2019. 875, so come down. 876, it has come down. It has slightly increased, and here slightly increase, and here there is a slight increase, and it has come down. So most of the things are showing the lower performance. So what could be the reason for this? Let us analyze. So previous cutoff mark, almost it is the third time, in fact, for the last 6 years it has come down below 600. So it means candidate has just needed 92.5% out of 100 to clear 2020. So it means what? That is a preliminary 2020. It is not the mark, preliminary in the year 2020. So 92.5 percentage, not percentage, out of 200. So that should be the target. So you should be above. So it means in terms of percentage, 46.25 percentage. Okay. So our target should be at least 50%, so that we will be in a comfortable position in prelims. And similarly, the general cutoff in 2019 it is 98, and here 98, 17 it was above 100, 2016 above 100, 2015 above 100. So it means out of the last 6 years, that is in 2016 that was the maximum, that is 116. Okay. So plan carefully and always try to achieve above 50% in any examination, okay, to achieve the comfortable position. Then you have got a higher marks also, but basic cutoff should be 50. And conclusion here, there are vacancies around that is less than 1000, but the number of applicants per around, that is 10 lakhs Probably that is all. We cannot say all are very serious about their examination, but even then your target should be 47 and above. Okay, so that you will get yes vacancy. I mean, you can get the seat in UPSC. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.